think the role of social enterprise is to use the tools of business for a social purpose. So, for example, in employment and in bringing disadvantaged people into employment, which obviously has an effect on their social inclusion.
Kad govorimo o osobe u nepovoljnom položaju u odnosu na tržište rada, to su najčešće žene starije dobi, žene starije od 45 godina. To su mladi koji nemaju prethodno radno iskustvo. Također, to su osobe naravno s invaliditetom koje se vrlo često spominju i ostale teško zapošljive osobe.
The private sector is not going to employ large numbers of these people. They have a role to play, but they're not going to employ lots and lots of people who are disadvantaged. The public sector across Europe is shedding jobs and therefore will not be a source of employment for disadvantaged people generally. And I think this is a critical role in social enterprise, that social enterprise, by creating business activity and employing people in real competitive businesses, the kind of social services that are provided by social enterprises in the UK, they vary enormously, but predominantly it is around the employment agenda and all of the things that come out of employment. But they do other things. I mean, for example, social enterprises are very active in youth work. And in terms of youth work, bringing young people into activities, helping young people with their difficulties, and of course employment.
Mi smo nastojali kroz EU fondove, odnosno kroz IPA 4. komponentu, potaknuti razvoj socijalnog poduzetništva, odnosno primijetili smo da je financiranje socijalno-poduzetničkih aktivnosti vrlo bitan segment u razvoju socijalnih usluga u zajednici.
We use the business as the means to employ, train, support people with mental health conditions, and ultimately to help them to recover, to become more socially included and take a place in society, but also ultimately to get a job, which is the best form of social inclusion you could imagine.